All new apps we create are integrated with OneSignal. OneSignal is an online platform that allows you to send push notifications to your app users. And to help you to understand this, we made this short video. But before you start, I do have a warning, because if you send too many push messages, it can be experienced as annoying. So do it, but do it in moderation. Now let's get started and send out your first push notification.
So just go to onesignal.com to learn more about the company and the services they provide. You can read more about the options they have, of course the pricing. Now at this moment OneSignal is free to use up to 10,000 subscribers, so it should be sufficient for you. We will send you the invite to join OneSignal, and you can log in over here on the right top corner. After logging in, you will see something like this. And this is our demo app. So the dashboard is pretty empty, but let me give you an overview. You can see the number of messages sent out. If you scroll down, you can see the subscriber trends. So at this moment, 24 people allow us to send a push message. 4 of them have been active over the last 30 days, and in total there are 99 users on the app. So you can see the total number of users, and you can play around with these filters to change the period or to change the platform between iOS and Android. Now obviously the most important thing to do is to send out a push message. So let's go to messages over here. And the only thing we do with OneSignal is sending out push messages. So you can see 2 test messages already sent out. You can click on new push over here, the blue button. Now you need to give the message a name. So let's say Easter offers. We're going to send the push notification to all subscribed users. So select this one. We don't have to bother about different languages, because all the languages will be just in English in this case. Let's add the title, a subtitle, and then a message. Fish Star Garden Center this spring weekend, daily between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Something like that. You can leave the other options blank, and then you can check the preview. So as you see on Android, the text is pretty limited. However, if you switch to iOS, you see a little bit more. So keep in mind that the messages, the push notifications you're sending out, should be very short. And the only thing the push message should do is to inform customers about something important and to encourage them to open the app. Now, if we go to step 3, we can set the delivery schedule. When should this message start sending? You can select immediately. So after saving the message, it will be triggered. Or you say, no, I want to send it out on the 14th of April at 4 p.m. If we do this, then the message will be triggered April 14th, 4 p.m. Just send it to everyone at the same time, should be okay, and then you can click on review and schedule. So you can check all the data over here. If you're happy, click on schedule message and it will go out on the 14th of April. If you want to change something, click on make changes. Now once the emails or once the push messages are sent out, you can't change them anymore, so be sure it's all correct. Now there's one more thing I wanted to explain to you. If we click on audience, you can see different segments. By default, we create a subscribe users segment. So all the customers who allow you to send a push message are in the segment. You can see the number of active users. So those people have used the app over the last 7 days, 168 hours. And the same for the inactive users. So those people haven't been using your app for the last 7 days. So you can trigger a push message to people who have been inactive for a while or who've been very active over the last 7 days. You can create new segments if you want to, and as you see, there are more options available on the OneSignal platform. However, we only provide support to sending out the push messages, because that's what we want to do via this platform. So feel free to play around with other options. If you have any questions, you have to contact OneSignal directly.
As you've seen, it's pretty easy to use OneSignal. And in addition to the explanation given in this video, there are many more functions on the platform, but that depends on the integration we made for you. You can always check out the OneSignal documentation for more info.